Here's the app called SwipeMix Carousel Layout Maker. So let's just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. Create swipeable carousel and choose a perfect layout, 100 plus trendy templates, and take your Instagram to the next level by creating swipeable panoramic carousel post layouts and collages. Use templates. SwipeMix features dozens of Georgia's professional design templates that are easy to modify. Start from scratch, create panorama, design layouts, apply fonts, customize projects. So yeah, this is the app you have in here. Then yeah, you can just open it up and you can just proceed. Tap next, start free trial, and then yeah, here you have it. There is some free trial, and then there are a lot of different collages in here which you can have. So you can tap, for example, in here and start creating with like basic templates. So for example, I have this then you can just edit it up. All right, so this is like a single photo. And yeah, all right, so let's try to select this one. So for example, I have this photo in here, just to show you this photo in here, and then this another landscape in here. So I just have 3 landscapes. I can then just add it in here. And then yeah, I can just tap share to Instagram or save to photos. So that's kind of like great collage. You can exit and save it. And all kinds of templates. You have quite advanced templates. Then you can also invite friends. There is some kind of invite code for friends to get it. And then there are projects which you can get. There is pro subscription which you can get. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea in here. So that's what it is. So there you have it. Try it out. That's the app called SwipeMix. The ratings are quite good, 4.7K ratings, 4.8 average rating. People quite like it, but there are still a few glitches and bugs. I don't know, maybe they're just running a lot of ads because I've seen another app from some developer. But anyhow, that's what you have.